Welcome to our podcast, where we uncover the most remarkable success stories in the trading world. In this episode, we bring you the incredible journey of Paul Tudor Jones, a man who, against all odds, rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most legendary traders of our time. No fancy finance degrees, no formal training, just guts, instinct, and the uncanny ability to make the right move at exactly the right moment. Paul Tudor Jones's story begins in Memphis, Tennessee, a city known for its music and soul, but not exactly a hub of high finance. His first job? Writing for his dad's small business newspaper, the Memphis Daily News, under the pseudonym Paul Eagle, a name that would later soar far beyond the pages of a local paper. But Paul had bigger dreams, and his ambitions would soon take him to the New York Cotton Exchange, where he would learn the ropes of trading under the watchful eye of the legendary Eli Tullis. Now, imagine this. A young man, fresh-faced, no MBA, no Wall Street pedigree, diving headfirst into the chaotic world of futures trading. But Paul had something that most didn't. An almost supernatural intuition about market movements. He quickly made a name for himself, mastering the art of macro trades, those big, bold bets on interest rates and currencies that could make or break fortunes in an instant. But it was in 1987 that Paul Tudor Jones's name would be etched into the annals of financial history. The date? October 19th, a day that would go down in history as Black Monday. The Dow Jones plummeted by a staggering 22.6% in a single day. Investors around the globe were in panic, but not Paul. No, Paul Tudor Jones had seen this coming. His strategy was simple yet brilliant. He noticed the market had surged rapidly in a short period, forming what he called a parabolic curve. And when things go up too fast, they often come down just as hard. Jones didn't just predict the crash, he profited from it massively. While others were losing their shirts, Paul Tudor Jones was making a cool $100 million. How did he do it? By trusting his instincts, staying ahead of the curve, and, most importantly, making the right call at the right moment. But Paul's story doesn't stop there. In 1980, he founded Tudor Investment Corporation, a hedge fund that now manages $13 billion in assets. And in 1988, he co-founded the Robin Hood Foundation, which has donated millions to fight poverty in New York City. So what's the lesson here? You don't need an Ivy League degree or a Wall Street background to make it big. Sometimes all it takes is a sharp mind, a little bit of courage, and the ability to see what others can't. Paul Tudor Jones's story is proof that you can start from anywhere, even a small-town newspaper, and, with the right choices at the right times, rise to the very top. At Challenge 4 Trading, you don't need a school either. You have access to all the teachings necessary to become a better trader. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we dive into another incredible journey in the world of trading. Until then, keep thinking big, taking risks, and trusting your instincts. Who knows, you might just be the next great success story we feature.